everyone, it's Tammy, and today we are going to be making some taco salads, and we're going to use the Catalina dressing taco salads. I don't know if you guys have heard of this or seen this or had it, but it is something that has been in family reunions in my life as long as I can remember, and it is fabulous. The new thing for me are these ranch style beans. I have never had this kind of style beans. I know that I've had a couple friends say that these are just like chili beans, but I'm going to try them with these because I know I had a friend that used these and they looked really good. So what we need to do is brown a pound of, I'm doing lean chicken. You can do turkey, you can do beef, whatever you like. I'm going to brown that, and then I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients to it. So I have some shredded lettuce. I kind of cheated on that. I have some cheese, and you can use Mexican cheese or whatever you like. This is just what I, have. I'm going to use some fire roasted diced tomatoes. I'm going to drain this. So basically it's just what you would put on tacos minus the taco seasoning because we're going to add the Catalina dressing. I'm also going to use these ranch beans in it. And some Fritos. I'm probably not going to have the Fritos in mine, but I will add these for my guys. So let's go ahead and start making. I'm going to start just browning this beef, and I will put it on, fast forward so that it will go through the browned beef process, and then I'll be back. I forgot to mention onion too. You want to put some onion in here if that's something you like. So I'm going to add some frozen chopped onions. And it's something that we like. So I'm going to add about an onion. I'll let that get all warm. Because I'm using chicken, it's a really light color. And sometimes I like to add seasoning to it just because that disguises it a little better, because my husband would tell you that he prefers beef, but I don't think he really knows the difference when I'm cooking it like this. But the color will be a dead giveaway. But with the Catalina dressing, I think we'll be okay. So to this, I'm going to go ahead and add my tomatoes and my beans, and I have semi-drained them. Ugh. And I just put them together in this. I made a drip, but that's okay because Taz is taking care of it. He's my helper. Thank you, Taz. He says, I got you, Mama. I got you. I'm going to switch this out for a spoon because I really don't want to, mash all the beans. Stir this up. I mean, this is such a simple dish to put together. I'm kind of just waiting for the guys to get home. Alex went to the gym and Dennis is still at work. You could add whatever you wanted to this. If you wanted some corn, it would be a good time to add it. I'm not going to, just because I don't want those extra carbs. So I'm just gonna let it simmer here and get happy. And then when they come, I'm going to add everything to the bowl. Well, actually, I could probably start with that and show you guys. So here, let me bring you back over here. I already put the lettuce in the bowl. So I'm gonna put this whole thing of cheese in here. I'm not going to add the Fritos yet, and I don't know if I'm going to add the dressing yet. Now it does say to use the whole 16-ounce bottle of dressing. Actually, I think some of them even say to use like the bigger 24-ounce bottle of dressing. I don't think we need that much, so I'm going to improvise. So I don't think I'm going to add that yet. I think I'm going to wait until I add that, and then I'll add the dressing and mix it all together, and I will show you guys the finished product. But it's super simple, super easy. I was thinking if I had black olives I would add those too, but I don't have any, so bummer. That would be good. I'm trying to think of anything else that would be in a taco, but whatever you want to add would be fine. Guacamole, sour cream, whatever. I'll probably add some sour cream to mine, but yeah. So I'll be back. Okay, well, Alex just came in, so I think that's my cue to go ahead and get this ready. So I'm just going to add my meat mixture. It's the meat and the beans and the tomatoes to my lettuce and cheese mixture. Oh, and it's onions too, forgot that. Keep forgetting the onions, can't forget those, they're good. They're good for your tigger. And I'm going to add about half the Catalina dressing. And this can be served cold too. I mean, it's kind of however you like it. And you just want to mix it around pretty good. I honestly think that looks like enough dressing to me, but let me get a fork. I can use some more. I'm gonna go for it. I didn't scrape it or anything, but I did add it all, but I didn't like squeeze it all out or anything. Just let it all fall naturally, and then that was it. And this will be really good with the Fritos that have this salty texture, or the salty taste, and the crunch. Yep, that is what I remember. Oh, that is so good, guys. I know it doesn't look like much, but it tastes like much. I guess I could just use that spoon. I'm gonna get out a bowl for me. I got out bowls for the guys. And that is my dinner. And then I will add Fritos. I think I'm just going to add them to the bowl. That way they won't get all soggy. Oh, this is for my son, and he's coming down the stairs right now. And that's what's for supper. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.